Penny Smith, the Salute to America in Jefferson City, said that the event was able to get some things set up in advance so that the rainfall over the past few days wouldn't leave them behind. She also told me that she's spoken with the city about potential impacts from this rain on the fireworks show, but there isn't any concern right now. She added that they've been lucky to avoid the flooding, with their event being on a hill. Now, conditions are expected to be very pleasant for this weekend, with clear skies and temperatures in the low to mid 80s. If you're tired of being cooped up and looking for something to do, Salute to America is featuring a parade, music events, and special activities for the kiddos. Plus, fireworks are going to be displayed over the course of Friday through Sunday.